Hey guys, Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. And that way you'll know when all the content goes live. But I want to talk about this article that I found. It says Wall Street's DTCC launches private blockchain platform to settle trades. Woo, that was a mouthful. So a while ago, I'd say probably a couple weeks back, myself and, Crypto Joker, aka Crypto Nico, we did a stream and we talked a little bit about things that are currently happening with blockchain technology and things that may be coming. One of the things that we did talk about at that point was monetary transactions, money transfers, stuff like that. So with the current system that we have in place, these kind of things are dated. It's kind of archaic. There's no reason that if you want to transfer money or, that it takes an obscene amount of time, sometimes hours to even days, weeks, in today's world, as fast as things are moving, it's unacceptable. There's no reason that this should be happening. Well, now it has come out that this New York-based post-trade financial services company, it's called the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, so that's what the DTCC is, has released a private blockchain project aimed at providing a secure settlement service to clients. So this blockchain platform called Project Ion, it says it's now processing over 100,000 bilateral equity transactions per day in a parallel processing environment, and almost up to 160,000 transactions on peak days. So this is a huge deal because, I've said multiple times that, blockchain and crypto technology is coming. There's so much in development right now. We don't even know what's coming, but this is a big step towards blockchain integration in your everyday life. Again, just imagine how great it would be to be able to send money from yourself to somebody else, or settle real estate transactions, stuff like that in a matter of seconds, right? So this does go on to say that several leading traditional finance companies such as Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan are dipping their toes into the blockchain industry, with the former president of the New York Stock Exchange claiming that blockchain technology is going to rewire all financial services, as quoted in the Wall Street Journal on Monday. So there you have it. You have somebody that has been ingrained in these, this sector that has been in the U.S. world or the U.S. economy for years and years and years, and even they're coming out and saying that this is going to rewire everything as we know it. So this is definitely something to pay attention to. I'm sure there'll be more coming in the coming weeks, months, years. Things are developing faster than we can even process, but you're definitely something to pay attention to. Now, again, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, smash that like button, the subscribe, because then that way, again, you'll know when all of our content goes live, video, shorts, live streams. Man, can't even talk right now, but hope you guys have an awesome day. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video with me, and I hope to see you in the next one.